All right, YouTube. So we're about to do a little leveling kit. And this is basically the look of the truck right now. I'm about to take the front off, front parts, and switch them out. And I'll show you all the stuff I got inside. Okay, so I got the leveling kit from Supreme Suspension. Supreme Suspension. Comes with the 2 spacers for the top of the strut assembly. And then at the bottom of the shock with the nuts and bolts. Same thing right here, all those miscellaneous items. Comes with instructions as well. And let me get to it. I'll leave the link in the description on the video so y'all could go check them out. All right, what's up, YouTube? So I got the truck finally leveled. It's looking pretty clean. Don't mind the mess on the ground. Need to clean up. Yeah, she's looking pretty decent. And I did put the 20 by 12s with the 305 55 R20s. Had to do some chopping right here in the back. Kind of beat the shit out of it with the hammer. There's a 2-inch spacer, and then at the bottom under the strut, had like a squarish plastic thing like that. They stick under, and that gives an extra amount of lift. I didn't measure that, so I kind of messed up, but I brought the truck really far up in the front, and it kind of looked bad because I had a really bad squat. But yeah, you can see it has a little squat right now. I do need to buy new tires for the back. I'm running the Mastercrafts in the back and the Aturos in the front. The Aturos seem to be doing pretty good. As you can see, 20 by 12 red dirt road. Kind of hard to find. High country. Yeah, but she's looking pretty clean. Got some stance on her, as you can see. Quite a bit of stance. And even with the 2-inch blocks that I put in back here, it still kind of squats because, I mean, these tires are pretty worn out. I'm going to buy them like within the next week or two. They still ride pretty smooth, but when I got this set up, the ones that were in the front of the other vehicle kind of chopped it pretty bad. But I mean, these are fairly nice. A little bit of stance once again. But see, when you do put the rear blocks in, you're gonna have to disassemble that, take that screw off, pop out this little piece right here, and then you're gonna have to take apart the shocks right there, and I'll let you lower your axle. Yeah, that's about it pretty much. Blocks in the back, strut spacer in the front, and then that little plastic piece that goes in the bottom. Supposedly it was 3 inches in the front, 2-inch block in the back, and she's sitting pretty level, guys.